NVIDIA is about to redefine the future of AI with its groundbreaking Rubin platform, offering a massive 16x performance boost. This game-changing technology isn't just fast, it's reshaping entire industries, from healthcare to autonomous vehicles. But what does this mean for NVIDIA's stock? In this video, we break down how Rubin could spark the next big breakout and why now is the time to pay attention. Don't miss out, like, subscribe, and let's talk about the next wave of tech innovation. NVIDIA is making waves with its Rubin platform and the upcoming Rubin Ultra, both of which represent a radical leap forward in chip technology. These chips, all still in full development, are expected to launch in just a year, signaling a new phase of technological advancement. NVIDIA's CEO, Jensen Huang, has been clear about the company's ambitions, and it's starting to show in the market. In fact, there are rumors that NVIDIA has fast-tracked the Rubin platform by 6 months, an acceleration that could be the very catalyst pushing its stock price beyond the key $150 resistance level. This development could be the starting point for NVIDIA's most significant growth phase to date. If you're short on time, here's the key takeaway. Morgan Stanley's latest report reveals that the development of NVIDIA's Rubin platform is advancing much faster than expected. The performance of these new chips is set to be 16 times better than the current generation, fundamentally reshaping NVIDIA's market position and, in turn, its stock price. For anyone who's been around the markets for a while, this reminds me of the moment the iPhone was introduced, and it blew everyone's expectations out of the water. It was a game changer. And when you think about stocks that could have a similar impact, it's worth considering how some people have been able to spot these breakthrough moments before they happen. According to Morgan Stanley's semiconductor analyst, the Rubin platform is expected to enter production in the second half of 2025, with mass production beginning in early 2026. This accelerated timeline isn't just about moving faster, it's about scaling the technology to unprecedented levels. Rubin's adoption of 3nm technology is monumental, and what makes it even more impressive is its sheer scale. The platform is twice as large as the Blackwell chips currently set to replace the H100s. The current H100 chips are the backbone behind many advanced AI models, such as ChatGPT-4, and they're already pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But Rubin takes things to an entirely new level. Blackwell is already 4 times faster than its predecessor, Hopper, meaning tasks that currently take an hour will be completed in just 15 minutes. But Rubin, it takes this exponential leap and multiplies it again. A task that now takes an hour on the H100 will be finished in under 4 minutes on Rubin. We're talking about AI models that process real-time medical imaging, analyze massive amounts of sensor data for autonomous vehicles, and run complex scientific simulations that once took weeks. With Rubin, these processes will be completed in days or even hours. NVIDIA has achieved 2 major milestones here. First, it has secured a significant technological lead that will last for years. Second, it has positioned itself to dominate the next wave of AI development. Let me explain a bit more about what makes this possible. The combination of 3nm process technology, advanced optical packaging, and HBM4 memory, yes, I know it's a lot of tech jargon, creates a technological moat that will be incredibly difficult for competitors to cross. This isn't a small tweak, this is a revolution. We're not talking about incremental improvements like the latest iPhone, which may come in a new color or with a slightly better camera. No, NVIDIA is completely rethinking what's possible in AI computing. By creating chips that are far faster than anything we've seen, NVIDIA is opening doors to new markets and applications that simply don't exist yet. This concept is known as the second derivative growth theory, which is just a fancy way of saying that when you invent something new, people will find a way to use it, and that creates demand for more innovation. This cycle repeats. Better chips lead to new AI applications, new applications demand more computing power, and that drives the next wave of development. It gets faster and faster with each iteration. The real beauty of what NVIDIA is doing is that they're now selling multiple chip versions at different performance levels. Not every client needs the fastest, most advanced chip, so they can choose from the H100s or Blackwell, which will be priced accordingly. For customers who require the ultimate performance, they'll opt for Rubin, but they'll pay a premium. Think about how airlines offer different pricing tiers. First-class passengers pay top dollar for luxury, while economy passengers get a more affordable seat and both are satisfied with their service. Similarly, NVIDIA will be able to capture all market segments, from budget-conscious buyers to those willing to pay a premium for the fastest performance. This approach maximizes market share while maintaining margins and potentially increasing them. It's a smart pricing strategy that allows NVIDIA to take the lion's share of the market while keeping its products accessible. From an investment standpoint, the stock chart suggests that NVIDIA is on the verge of another breakout. After a brief dip, the stock has rebounded, breaking through key resistance levels and showing strong upward momentum. The next target is the $150 mark, and it's very likely that we'll see it soon. There are critics who argue that NVIDIA is in some sort of tech bubble, but they're missing the bigger picture. Every time NVIDIA's stock goes up, its profitability also rises. In fact, this stock is currently undervalued compared to its innovation pace, making it an attractive buy. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know your feedback. Until the next video, stay safe.